There are 3 safe and reliable ways to perform a factory reset on Windows 10 11s. Below are the detailed steps. 1. Using settings. Windows comes with a built-in Reset This PC feature that allows you to quickly restore the system to its original state. How to factory reset Windows 10. Step 1. Click the Start button and open Settings. Step 2. In the Settings window, go to Update and Security. Step 3. Select Recovery from the left-hand menu. Step 4. Under Reset This PC, click Get Started. Step 5. Choose either Keep My Files or Remove Everything depending on your needs. Step 6. Select a reinstallation method, cloud download or local reinstall. Step 7. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset process. How to factory reset Windows 11. Step 1. Click Start and open the Settings app. Step 2. Go to System Recovery. Step 3. Under Recovery Options, click Reset This PC. Step 4. Choose either Keep My Files or Remove Everything, based on your preference. Step 5. Select a reinstallation method, cloud download or local reinstall. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. Once the reset is finished, your PC will restart. If you chose to keep your files or back them up beforehand, you can restore them after the process is complete. 2. Using Advanced Startup. You can also use Advanced Startup to factory reset PC Windows 10 or 11, particularly useful when Windows won't start properly. Step 1. When starting your computer, press F11 repeatedly or hold Shift while clicking Restart to enter the Advanced Startup menu. Step 2. In the Recovery menu, select Troubleshoot and then click Reset This PC. Step 3. Choose either Keep My Files or Remove Everything, depending on your needs. Step 4. Select the reinstallation method, cloud download or local reinstall. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. Your PC will restart and begin the reset process. Once it's done, Windows will be reinstalled and ready to set up again. 3. Using Coolmuster Data Erasure. If you're selling or donating your PC, you need a permanent and unrecoverable wipe. Windows built-in Reset doesn't fully erase all traces of your data, but Coolmuster Data Erasure does. It meets international data erasure standards like DOD 5.20.2m, ensuring 100% privacy protection. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Data Erasure on your Windows 10 or 11 computer, launch the program, and go to the Drive Wiper tab. Step 2. Next, choose an erasure level. For example, select Deep Erase if you want the data to be overwritten 3 times for maximum security. Then, select the hard drive you wish to factory reset. Step 3. Click Erase Now, confirm by clicking OK, and the software will begin permanently wiping all data from the drive. Once the process is complete, the factory reset will be finished.